Hey, this is CJ the Traveling Man. We're at Moonlite Barbecue. We're ready to go in here and grub. And I want to introduce one of the owners of the company. And this is like the best barbecue you can get. You gotta come here. And here he goes.
Hey CJ, we're here at Moonlite Barbecue, Owensboro, Kentucky. My name's Pappy Bosley, one of the owners. We've been in business for over 54 years. My grandparents bought the place back in 1963. It's 3 generations of barbecue the way it's supposed to be. Love to have you come on down.
All right. We're gonna walk around, kind of let y'all see the building. Got a little bit of history. We're starting from February 1963. Catherine and Pappy Bosley, is that correct?
Yeah.
Bought the Moonlite for $50,000. It was a decision that would forever change the lives of the generation to come. So
yeah, man, it's the American dream. I mean, own your own business back in the 60s, you know, start from nothing, build it up. They sold their house, moved in with mother-in-law, and the rest is history. That's the American dream, you know, own your own thing, you know, earn it, work for it, earn it, build it, you know. Too many Americans want things given to them. This was the real American dream where you had to work for it.
Yeah.
A little snowy, a little cold, but it's all melting now.
Yeah, I know, finally. So.
Yeah. Well, we're glad to have you in, CJ, and I hope you safe travels out there.
Okay, thank you. We're kind of walking outside here, letting y'all get a view of the location. So I'm telling you, you gotta come down here. How's it going? Well, I tell you, you gotta come down here, so you get a chance, stop in. They're located in Owensboro, Kentucky, and you'll find them on the map. This is CJ the Traveling Man, signing out. We're ready to go in here and eat.